Hey, this is Randy from Sourcing Links. We help you to amplify your business with brand awareness. Today, I'm going to show you how to record the screen on Mac and Windows 10 computers. This is the method that I am using for my YouTube videos. Please share your ideas in the comment section below if you know a much easier way of screen recording. Okay, let's jump into it. First, I will show you how to record the screen on Mac. Open QuickTime Player, and then go to New Screen Recording, under the File menu. If the QuickTime Player is not in your dock, you can search for it on the Spotlight. When you click the New Screen Recording, an additional record button will appear on the screen. Now, you need to press it for Start Recording. When you decide to stop recording, press the Stop button, which will be on the top menu. Once you stop the recording and when you exit, it will ask a file name and destination. You can save it to Download folder or any other folder, as you wish. Now, we will check how to record Windows 10 screen. First, press Windows plus G on your keyboard. This will open built-in Game Recorder, which you can use to record any content of the screen. In the end, you can press the Stop button. The recording can be accessed by pressing again Windows plus G keys on your keyboard. It will give the saved file location as well. Thank you for watching. If you were happy with this video, please give us thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon. In this way, you will not miss similar videos in the future.